Hello, this is Dan the Furniture Repairman. Today we're going to show you how to strip stubborn varnish off using a scotch brite pad that is attached to an electric sander. Now this table right here has been varnished with something called conversion varnish, which is a two-part varnish they use on some furniture that's very hard to remove. Normal stripper won't lift it. As you see right here with the putty knife, now this stripper has been on for quite a while, but what we found is we use this Scotch Brite, and we're going to give you a link on how to get one. And it attaches to a little sanding pad that goes on the bottom of a drill, and look how fast that peels that varnish right off. It just takes it off like magic. So you're going to have to kind of tilt it a little bit to get it to work, but we found it does not damage or tear into the wood, and it does just a wonderful job taking off that varnish. Now we're going to move down a little bit, and we're going to do it all over again. And you can see he's riding just kind of the front edge of that pad a little bit, but you can get your own technique. And this will speed up stripping this table. I don't know by how much. So normally we would probably have to use a scraper blade on this, which sometimes will cause problems in the veneer because this is a veneer in the center, and scratch it. This leaves no scratching. This works tremendously quick. We could use this on the legs. We could use this on the side. We've used this all over this piece. And now this is the area we just ran the Scotch Brite over. Now we're going to sand it with the 120 grit sandpaper. You can see it's starting to powder right away. We're down to the wood. There's no varnish left behind. The pad took it right away. Now we went through about a pad and a half doing this top, so you will go through them, but you're going to save yourself a ton of time and a ton of effort. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. Any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Please remember to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. You can check out more of our work at danthefurniturerepairman.com. Y'all have a good day now.